A debt collector just called you. And before you said a single word, they were already running a script designed to trap you. Most Americans say one of 12 phrases that either restart the clock on expired debt or hand the collector everything they need to sue you and win by default. In the next 6 minutes, I'm giving you the complete word-for-word script, every phrase, every scenario. Banks won't put this in a brochure. But first, here's why debt collectors win 95% of the time they sue. The debt collection industry earns $15 billion a year, not because the law is on their side, but because most people don't know their rights. They answer the phone, they confirm their name, they say, "Yeah, I think I owe that." And with those 6 words, they just handed over everything. Here's what they're counting on you not knowing. 3 federal laws are protecting you right now, and debt collectors are banking on you ignoring all 3. Law number 1, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, the FDCPA. This is your primary weapon. It bans debt collectors from harassing you, lying to you, or calling before 8 a.m. or after 9 p.m. And here's the part they definitely won't tell you. If they violate it, you can sue them. Up to $1,000 per violation, plus attorney fees. Law number 2, the Statute of Limitations. Every debt in America has an expiration date, usually 3 to 6 years, depending on your state. After that date, they cannot legally sue you. But here is the trap. If you acknowledge the debt or make even a partial payment, the clock resets completely. Back to zero. Law number 3, your right to debt validation. Under the FDCPA, you have 30 days from first contact to demand written proof the debt is yours. They must send it. Until they do, all collection activity must legally stop. Most Americans never use this. It costs them everything. Quick note, if the debt being collected is already over $10,000, fighting alone is hard. There are legitimate settlement companies that negotiate directly with collectors and have reduced debts by up to 50%. I'll leave the resource I recommend in the description. Okay, phone rings, debt collector. Here is the exact script, word for word, for every scenario. Scenario 1, first call, unknown debt. Your response, word for word. I do not acknowledge this debt. Send me written verification by mail. Until I receive that, I am requesting you cease all telephone contact. Then hang up. Do not stay on the line. Do not explain yourself. Do not confirm your address. Hang up. Scenario 2. They say, "We have your signed agreement. You legally owe this." Your response, send me the original signed agreement, the full account history, and the name of the original creditor, in writing. That's it. You are not confirming anything. You are forcing them to prove it exists. Scenario 3. They threaten to sue you. This is where people panic and fold. Don't. Your response, I understand. Please provide the name of your attorney and the jurisdiction where you intend to file. I will be retaining legal counsel. You just told them you know the game. Watch how fast the tone changes. Hold on. Before scenario 4, this is the part most videos skip entirely, and it's the exact reason debt collectors keep winning in court. 95% of debt lawsuits end in default judgment, meaning the person being sued never even showed up. Not because they were guilty, because they didn't know what to do. When a summons arrives in your mail, you have 20 to 30 days to file a written answer with the court. Even if you think you owe the money, that one action stops the default judgment cold. Most people throw the summons away. That is a $5,000 mistake. Scenario 4. They're calling multiple times a day. Under the FDCPA, that's illegal harassment. Keep a call log, date, time, and number. 3 calls in a 7-day period gives you grounds for a harassment claim. When they call, this is my formal notification that I am documenting all calls as potential FDCPA violations. Then send a certified cease and desist letter immediately. Now, what do you do after the call? 3 actions. Do all 3. Action 1. Send a debt validation letter within 30 days. Certified mail. Return receipt required. Demand they verify the debt, the amount, and the original creditor. Once received, they cannot continue collecting until they respond in writing. template is in the description. Action 2. Pull your credit report immediately. Collections show as negative items, and you need to know exactly what was reported, when, and whether it's accurate. Inaccurate collection entries can be disputed directly off your report. Link in the description for the tool that tracks your score in real time. Action 3. If the debt is over $10,000 and you've been served, don't go it alone. Debt settlement negotiators work directly with collectors. Some Americans have settled $30,000 in debt for under $10,000. I'll leave the resource I personally recommend in the description. It's free to check your options. And if they still won't stop, here's the nuclear option. File an FDCPA complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the CFPB. If a collector violated your rights, you can sue them in federal court for actual damages, $1,000 statutory damages, and attorney fees. That last part is key. Lawyers take these cases for free because the collector pays their fees when you win. They violated the law. Make them pay for it. Full playbook recap. 1. Never acknowledge the debt on the first call. 2. Demand written verification immediately. 3. Document every call for FDCPA violations. 4. Send a certified debt validation letter within 30 days. 5. If they sue, file a written answer. Don't let them win by default. If this just protected you from a mistake that could have cost you thousands, subscribe. This is what finance defense is built for.